everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to overlay a video on a video in CapCut Android. So the first, open the CapCut app, then click new project. Choose the first video that you want to use as a background. I will choose on stock videos. Then click add. Click overlay. Then add overlay. Choose the second video that you want to put that on top of first video. Click add. Adjust size and place it on the screen. I will put it on here. For adjusting size, you only just drag it with 2 fingers. Then move it to the area that you want it to. You have to mute the first or second video. I want to mute the first video. Click on the volume, then make it 0. Click save. I will play again to preview. Okay, so this is how to overlay a video on a video in CapCut Android. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.